Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your book cover into a short cinematic animated video using Canva AI, perfect for indie authors and cover designers. First, open Canva and create a new design. I'm using a vertical format 1080 by 1920 pixels because it works great for reels, shorts, and mobile content. Next, upload your book cover, PNG works best, and place it onto your blank page. I've already uploaded my covers before, so I can simply choose the one I need. Resize it so it fills most of the canvas and looks visually strong. Now select the image, go to Edit, open Magic Studio and choose Image to Video. Start with Smart Animation. This lets Canva generate an animated version automatically, without writing any prompt. I'll show how to use the custom animation feature in another video. In just a few seconds, you'll get a short animated clip, usually around 5 seconds. Add this animation to your design. Now, you have your first version of the animated book cover. To try another animation, I copy the design page and upload the cover again. I delete the previous animated video from this new page. Try generating a few versions because each result is slightly different. In my case, I created 3 versions. 2 of them worked right away, but the third one didn't match my style. So I regenerated it a few times until I got a version I really liked. And that's completely normal. This process is more about your personal taste than the AI getting it right the first time. I use Smart Animation again. Once you have an animation you like, add it to your design. To try the third version of animation, I am copying the design page and again adding the book cover. I look at the previous 2 animated designs and I'll try another one, just because of curiosity and better choice which one to use in my marketing. And I will repeat all steps I have explained before. I will not repeat them in this description so you can try to remember them and repeat in your mind. Actually, I do not happy with this video and I will redo it. And I will redo the next couple of AI animated versions too. I use Canva Pro version, so I have no limitations as AI creating my videos as I understand. Again, I am not professional designer and my choice is only my creative taste choice. Maybe you will be satisfied with the first AI created video. When you're happy with the result, go to Share, then Download, and export your video as an MP4 file. Now your animated book cover is ready to use. You can use these videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, your website, email marketing, or even book launch promotions. One quick note: this works best with your own cover designs. If your cover was created by a designer, make sure you have the rights to modify or animate it before using AI tools like this. Think of Canva AI as your creative partner. It gives you options, and you choose the one that fits your vision. And that's it. You've just turned a static book cover into engaging video content. Want to learn how to use custom animation in Canva's Magic Studio? Watch my next video. Interested in the Throne of Flames complete Fae Fantasy Romance series? You'll find the link in the description. Bye.